Is your dog an escape artist and jiggles the gate until the latch releases? Try this spring pull latch. It worked for us. I ordered this from Amazon for under $10. These are the contents. No directions were included. This is my existing latch and the spring latch. Different sizes, so we're going to need to re-drill some holes and figure out some placement. And there is the hole, so that should be okay, I hope. I removed the latch and decided to use the top 2 holes with the same screws since the screws were larger. See a difference in screw size, so I just attached the top 2 screws in order to line things up. Ideally, I hope to use the same hole for the string, but that didn't quite work out, and I'll show you why. I threaded the cord through the spring. Just thread a small portion of the pull string through the hole in the latch. And then tighten it up with this tiny Allen wrench that they sent you so it will clamp down the pull string and it won't release. Make sure you don't lose that Allen wrench in case you ever need to tighten it up again. So as you can see, the spring doesn't have any tension in it, so we'll need to drill a new hole. So this is too far, gonna have to be here. So this is a little out of order, but I needed to pre-drill some holes to attach the bottom screws to the latch and make it more secure. So I skipped to that portion and also attach the other side of the latch. So I drilled another pull string hole closer to the latch to give the spring more tension. Re-threaded the pull cord through, added the back support and the spring. Re-threaded it through the hole in the latch and tightened it with the Allen wrench. If I need to, I can put a block behind her. That's what I'm thinking. So even with the new hole in the fence, there wasn't enough tension behind the spring, so I had to put a piece of block behind it. I just used a piece of scrap lumber nearby to cut a few inches of wood in order to extend the base of the spring out to the base of the latch. Once I had the scrap of wood, I just drilled a hole through it in the spot where the hole will line up with the existing hole. I was running out of daylight, so I just placed the wood in place and I will have to attach it later. But I can show you that it did do what it needed to do to make the latch work properly. So now you can see when you pull the string, the latch bounces right back to closed position. No matter how much the dog jiggles, it is not coming apart. I hope this was helpful for you. If so, please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.